Ever feel like you're trying to lose weight, but those hunger pangs just keep coming back? Well, today we're diving into the top 5 foods that are not only super filling but also perfect for weight loss. These foods will keep you full and satisfied, so you're less tempted to reach for those sugary snacks. Trust me, you're going to want to stay till the end because food number 1 is a real game changer. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on our healthy tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. Alright, starting off with our countdown of the most filling foods that'll support your weight loss journey. Here's 5. Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with protein, which is key to keeping you full. Greek yogurt actually has almost double the protein of regular yogurt. Plus, it's a great source of probiotics, which are good for your gut health. I suggest grabbing the plain, unsweetened kind, then just add a handful of fresh berries for natural sweetness. Low in calories, high in nutrients, and it keeps you satisfied for hours. 4. Oats. Oats. Whether you prefer a warm bowl of oatmeal or overnight oats, oats are fantastic for keeping you full and energized. They're loaded with fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan, which slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Plus, they're super versatile. You can add fruits, nuts, a dash of cinnamon, or even a little dark chocolate if you want to treat yourself. And studies show that people who eat oats for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day. So next time you're planning breakfast, you know what to go for. 3. Eggs. Eggs are incredibly filling and high in protein, especially in the whites. A study even showed that people who ate eggs for breakfast felt fuller and ate less throughout the day. They're super versatile too. You can have them scrambled, poached, or even whipped up in a veggie-packed omelet. Just 2 eggs have about 12 grams of protein, which makes it an easy and satisfying breakfast option. And don't worry about the calories. Eggs are actually very low calorie compared to how filling they are. 2. Lentils. Lentils are full of fiber, protein, and they're super filling without adding a ton of calories. 1 cup of lentils has around 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber, perfect if you're trying to stay full and energized. You can make them into a delicious soup, add them to salads, or make a hearty stew. They're also really affordable and easy to cook with, so it's a budget-friendly option too. 1. Leafy greens. And finally, our number 1 most filling food for weight loss is leafy greens. This includes spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and more. They're high in volume, but super low in calories, which means you can eat a large serving without the calorie overload. Plus, they're packed with fiber and water, which help keep you feeling full. You can add leafy greens to just about any meal, blend them in a smoothie, make a big salad, or toss them into soups. They're truly a weight loss powerhouse. All right, there you have it. Those are the top 5 foods that'll help you stay full while keeping those calories in check. Remember, the key to weight loss is finding foods that nourish you and keep you satisfied. Give these a try and let me know in the comments which one you're excited to add to your diet. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on more tips to help you crush your health goals. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay full.